Imagine a creature so massive that it could dwarf a Boeing 737. That's the Argentinosaurus, widely considered as the largest dinosaur to have ever roamed the Earth. This colossal titan of the dinosaur world is a marvel of prehistoric life. Its incredible size, estimated at a staggering 100 tons, is a testament to the sheer power of evolution. This behemoth, called the lush, verdant habitats of what is now Argentina home, living in the late Cretaceous period, some 90 million years ago. The Argentinosaurus was a herbivore, its enormous size requiring a vast amount of plant matter to sustain. It lived in a world of giants, but none quite as grand as itself. Its very existence boggles the mind, and yet it was very much a part of our planet's vibrant history. But how did we come to know about this gigantic creature? Let's delve into the fascinating journey of dinosaur discovery. Our journey begins in the early 19th century, a time when the concept of dinosaurs was yet to be conceived. Picture this: the world was brimming with scientific curiosity and exploration, and in the midst of this, an unusual discovery was made. In the green fields of England, peculiar large bones were unearthed, bones unlike any known animal of the time. These strange findings puzzled the scientific community. It was Sir Richard Owen, an eminent British anatomist and paleontologist, who first recognized these bones as belonging to a group of animals previously unknown to science. In 1842, he coined a term that would forever change our understanding of the natural world. He called these creatures dinosaurs, a word derived from the Greek language meaning terrible lizards. This monumental discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific world. It introduced the idea that the Earth was once home to creatures far larger and more formidable than any that roam the Earth today. It was a concept that both terrified and fascinated. The dinosaur was born, and with it, a new scientific discipline: dinosaur paleontology. Over the years, dinosaur paleontology has made giant strides. New discoveries continue to paint a more vibrant picture of these prehistoric beasts. From the agile velociraptor to the towering Tyrannosaurus rex, each new find added a piece to the puzzle of Earth's ancient past. But the real game changer came in the late 20th century. Paleontologists began to find fossils of creatures that surpassed even the largest dinosaurs known at the time. These discoveries hinted at a dinosaur that was so massive it seemed to defy the laws of physics. The world was not just home to formidable creatures of the past, but colossal ones that would dwarf the largest animals of today. As our understanding of dinosaurs deepened, we stumbled upon the remains of a creature that would dwarf all others. In 1987, an exciting discovery in Argentina would change the world's perception of how large dinosaurs could get. This was the year when Guillermo Heredia, a rancher in Patagonia, stumbled upon the most enormous dinosaur fossils ever found. As he worked in the fields, Heredia noticed something unusual protruding from the ground. Upon closer inspection, he realized he had found something extraordinary. The news of Heredia's discovery quickly reached the ears of paleontologists who rushed to the site, eager to unearth what lay beneath the soil. The excavation process was no simple task. It required precise and meticulous work to ensure the fossils were not damaged. The paleontologists faced the daunting challenge of digging out the enormous fossilized bones from the earth, some of which were the size of a small car. Once they had carefully extracted the fossils, transporting them was another significant hurdle. The sheer size and weight of the fossils made it a logistical nightmare. Specialized equipment was brought in to move these colossal relics of the past. Despite the difficulties, the team of dedicated scientists was determined to bring this ancient giant back to the world. Back in the laboratory, the hard work continued. The task of reconstructing the dinosaur from the remains was like assembling an intricate jigsaw puzzle with no reference image. Every bone had to be meticulously analyzed, cataloged, and positioned. The team worked tirelessly, using their knowledge of dinosaur anatomy and the latest technology to piece together the skeleton of the Argentinosaurus. The result was breathtaking. The reconstructed dinosaur stood over 100 feet long, dwarfing all previous dinosaur discoveries. This massive creature, which roamed the Earth nearly 100 million years ago, was named Argentinosaurus, after the country of its discovery. And thus, the Argentinosaurus was brought back to life, in a sense, through the marvels of science. This discovery not only changed our understanding of the size dinosaurs could reach, but also reminded us of the wonders that lay beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered. So, what do we know about the life of the Argentinosaurus? Well, this colossal creature was a herbivore, feasting on the abundant plant life that thrived during its reign in the late Cretaceous period. We think these gentle giants lived in herds, a behavior that likely offered them protection from predators and made finding food and mates easier. Imagine them lumbering across the prehistoric landscape, their massive bodies shaking the ground with each step. With their long necks, they could reach the tops of tall trees, making them the high-level browsers of their ecosystem. Their size was their greatest defense, deterring most predators. The Argentinosaurus was a significant part of its ecosystem, shaping the environment and influencing the evolution of other species. Their droppings would have fertilized the soil, and their movement through dense forests could have created paths for smaller creatures. The Argentinosaurus truly was a marvel of nature, a testament to the incredible diversity and grandeur of life on Earth. From the first discovery of dinosaur fossils to the unearthing of the colossal Argentinosaurus, we've come a long way in our understanding of these magnificent creatures. We've journeyed together through the epochs, from the dawn of dinosaur discovery, unearthing the giant, to the reign of the Argentinosaurus. We've marveled at the colossal titan, the Patagotitan, and admired the impressive stature of the Argentinosaurus. These gargantuan dinosaurs reveal the astonishing diversity and grandeur of prehistoric life. The Argentinosaurus, in particular, holds a special place in our understanding of dinosaurs. This colossal titan, estimated to have been as long as 3 double-decker buses lined up end-to-end, offers a glimpse into the incredible world that existed millions of years ago. So the next time you see a Boeing 737, remember the Argentinosaurus, the colossal titan of the dinosaur world that once roamed our planet.